Here we go. Oh wow, it tastes like I'm at the fair. Like, straight up. It's like I'm eating cotton candy. This is like really addictive. Liquid goodness. What's up everyone, I hope you're all doing well. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in my hometown of Miami, Florida, and today I'm doing a taste test of For Real milkshakes. If you don't know what For Real is, it's a brand of unique milkshakes, smoothies, and frappes that you get to blend yourself with their milkshake machine. You can find For Real at 18,000 locations in the United States and Canada. We're headed to the downstairs market to taste test some of their unique flavors. I'm craving something sweet. Let's head inside and try them out. So basically I'm gonna select 5 flavors. I think I'm gonna go with, let's see, cotton candy for sure. Peanut butter cup, that looks amazing. What else? I love chocolate, so I gotta go with chocolate. And now let's go with a frappe. Frappe coffee. And mango, because I love mango. If you want to try these milkshakes, go to the For Real website and look up the For Real Finder, type in your zip code, and that'll show you the closest blender to you. Now we're gonna start making our shakes. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the cotton candy limited edition milkshake. It comes in 3 colors, pink, purple, or blue. You pick your milkshake, you open the lid, okay? And I got a pink, right? Put it in. It's really cool, you get to choose your thickness, less, regular, or more thick. Okay, I'm gonna go with regular. All right, so it's working its magic. As you can see, it went all the way up into the blender. You can't even see it now. It's working its magic. I can't wait to see this thing. And here it is, pink cotton candy. I love Reese's peanut butter cup. And then this one, I think we're gonna go a little thicker, so more thick. That's cool. Oh yeah. I'm gonna do my taste test here, but you can easily put a straw into it and take it to go. Chocolate. Oh my god, I can't wait for this one. Next up, we have coffee frappe. This one we're gonna make it, what do you think? Less thick? More thick? Less thick. Oh wow. And this is the only smoothie we're getting. Mango smoothie. Awesome. Regular. Okay, so we have the 5 flavors. We have a smoothie, a frappe, and 3 milkshakes. And we're gonna start first with the peanut butter cup, Reese's peanut butter cup. I love this. I used to eat this when I was a kid. Oh my god, it's so delicious. Oh, it's like an old-fashioned milkshake. You can taste the Reese's throughout. The thickness is perfect. It tastes like delicious peanut butter. Oh my god, this is addictive. Wow. The next one we're gonna go with, I'm gonna try the smoothie, mango smoothie. If you guys don't know, my favorite fruit in the world is mango. It's actually mango season right now in Miami. Oh, so delicious. Not so thick. Wow, very refreshing, especially for how hot it is in Miami right now. It's like 95 degrees. Perfect for a hot summer day. Icy cold. You can taste the high quality ingredients. Next up, we're gonna go with the chocolate milkshake. I'm a chocoholic. Oh wow. Tastes like chocolate bar that's melted. This is less thick than the other ones. I guess I went with the less thick. So creamy, delicious. Classic flavor, can't go wrong with chocolate. All right, next up we're going with the limited edition cotton candy. And we got the pink color. Here we go. Oh wow, it tastes like I'm at the fair. Like, straight up. It's like I'm eating cotton candy. Ooh, liquid goodness. Yeah, my daughter would love this. This is like really addictive. And the last one, we're going with the Frappe. It has 2 times the caffeine, guys. This will be a great one to have in the morning or after a meal. Whoa, espresso beans. Oh wow, this reminds me of like being in Greece. The frappes, really cold, really strong. Wow, I love the thickness too. Okay, so we tried all 5 flavors, and I gotta say, my favorite was the peanut butter cup because it tastes like a decadent dessert. Number 2 is the cotton candy because I've never had something like this before. It just takes me back to my youth when I went to the Carnival. Oh, wow, delicious. And I like mine thick. Less thick, regular is okay, but get it extra thick, it's really good. And also the frappe, I can probably have this every day. Woo. So that was my For Real milkshake taste test. I hope you guys loved it. And if you're looking to try For Real milkshakes, go to forreal.com/finder. There's over 18,000 locations in the United States and Canada. There's way more flavors. There's mint chip, there's pina colada, there's strawberry and banana. These are my favorites though. And yeah, if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next adventure.